Got my gelato. I didn't want the giant lemon. You guys, what? I'm so tired. I took 60,000 steps today, walking around Positano. I can't even tell you the level of sweat I was covered in. I can't even explain it to you. I don't even know what I'm running on right now. I'm like, the human body is amazing because I'm like, how am I still on at this point? How am I on at all? Because, oh my goodness. And so today was just the best day ever in Capri and Positano. And that kind of commences my summer. My summer's kind of done. And I'm very much ready and moving into the fall. But as a little hoorah, and maybe if you live in a hot destination where you can always swim, I made the cutest bikini. Everyone in Positano was asking me where I got my swimsuit, and I made it, and I put it on my website, and I've put 10 on there because I'm only making 10. So if you want to go grab one of my rose bikinis, it's so cute, and it will look so cute on you if you have a smaller boob size. My boobs are on the larger side, so it was just a little, but if you have like a normal boob size, it will look so cute on you. So cute. So I'm really proud of my little rose bikinis that I made the day before. I've put it on my website. There's 10 available if you want to go grab one. I'll make it for you and ship it to you for your little summer end cap. Or you can always wear it if you're going to some kind of pool or if you live in a hot destination. But yeah, I'm loved my summer. I spent it in Italy, literally. Was here for 2.5 months. And I couldn't have asked for a better Italian summer. It was, in a word, exquisite. I'm tired. Also, something else happened, but I'm going to save that for a whole different video. I am just a little tired, just a little burnt out. This travel life. Someone asked me on the train, on the boat, how is it to just travel alone? Just travel alone, literally all the time. And I said, it is amazing. It is. A lot of people have dreams, but they never get to know what that dream feels like. And I was like, that's what it feels like. It's like, I feel so blessed to be one of those people that it's like, oh, I know what dreams feel like, So it literally feels like that. I said, but maybe 2-3 days out of the month, it just feels like I've been hit by a Mack truck and can't go back. And the only way is forward. And I don't want to go back, but it's just like you're moving on a tightrope, if that makes sense. It's thrilling, it's adventurous, it's everything I could have asked for. When I watch movies, which is very rare, because don't like entertainment. I love entertainment. We live in an entertainment era, so I limit my entertainment. So that's why I don't listen to music anymore. I only read, educate myself, because I'm trying to move backward to our more primordial state rather than forward into who knows what's happening with us humans these days. But I have so much peace by neglecting the norms, and I don't know. So when I do watch movies, when I allow myself to have a cheat day and watch a movie on my laptop, I always watch movies like adventure movies, and I'm always like, I resonate with the main character of the movie because it's always like somebody who goes out on a crazy adventure by themselves, like freaking Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter or I don't know, someone on a quest by themselves, although those people weren't by themselves. I am. And I always resonate with like the main character. Main character energy. I look crazy. I've gotten to that place where I don't care what I look like on the internet. It's like, it is what it is. Get one of my rose bikinis for your female friend or for yourself. It's so cute, and I make them the size. I make them custom for whoever you get it. You would tell me if you are a small, medium, or large, and your bust size. Well, no, you tell me if you're small, medium, or large, and I make them. But it's so cute. I whipped it up last night, and everyone on the beach was like, ooh. I didn't get a full body shot because like I'm still uncomfortable putting my bare butt on the internet. Because I have a big butt, okay? I have a large buttocks. And I know what kind of attention that gets, you know? So I didn't show the bottoms. But I got a really cute shot of the top. But the bottoms are so cute. And it looks like you look like you're a little rose on the beach. So, yeah, I put that down below. This is from the beach club. And that kind of commences my little Italian summer. Thank you guys for tuning in, for watching. I love you guys. And I've got more exciting content moving out of Europe. I know some of you guys are like, is she ever gonna leave Europe? Yes, I am, like literally very soon, okay?